Hey guys, it's Nancy Pugs. Today, sorry, hold on. Sorry again, one more time. Okay, as I was saying, searching on YouTube, watching some videos from favorite YouTubers, and I found this recipe for slime. It was about, sorry, I had to walk up the stairs like 2 times. But anyway, it's where you mix cheese and hot water. I don't know if this is gonna be fail. It's real. And my bowl of hot water right here. So let's get started. Let's mix cheese in. Sorry about that major distraction. Okay, let's put this cheese in. Apparently you can make slime out of cheese. Sort of crazy. Okay, go in there, cheese. Okay, it's like, ew. Get away. You have to like mix it into a ball. Ew, 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 I hate this. Oh. So far, this isn't like what the recipe showed, like at all. Get this little ball of cheese ball. It's like this. It's not slime, because I really wouldn't call it that. More just a cheesy substance. It smells disgusting. Okay, I'm gonna go put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. I'll be back in a second. Okay, here's the finished product. Slime, I mean, I would call it slime. But call it good smelling. So sort of disgusting. Can I poke it? Let's see here. Ew. Ew, get this away from me. No, can you stretch it? Sort of like a little bit of a putty texture. No. Would I call this slime? I call it disgusting slime that makes me want to puke. I'm gonna go forget about this. Never of this again, because this is disgusting. Never ever want to do anything like that. Freaking, it smells like pure crap. Disgusting. Hate this. Get this out of my life. Okay, goodbye guys. I'm gonna go forget about this. Bye.